This team finished 17th last season and are 18 in the league right now. They're former Europa League champions. No, I'm not talking about Tottenham Hotspur. The team I'm talking about are Spanish giants Sevilla. Sevilla played Osasuna last weekend and there was massive hype around it. Some people labeled it the biggest domestic match that Sevilla's had in the 21st century. Despite being a goal up till the 79th minute, Sevilla could not hold on and ended up losing the match. They did not play particularly well. Fear is a massive part of what's happening to the club this season. They dropped deeper and deeper, and despite the manager Luis Garcia saying that there were no instructions from him for the team to continuously drop deeper, this is what happens when a club is in crisis, when the club is completely short of confidence. Dropping players, changing systems, the manager is trying everything possible in a desperate attempt to gain some point. The manager Luis Garcia has been in charge for 3 games now, and still somehow there are questions about his future. That the problems that the club faced were here long before the manager arrived. The club has had 12 different managerial appointments in the last 9 years alone. 3 of the 9 years were spent under Julian Lopetegui and he wasn't far off from winning the league. He won the Europa League with the club and also had 3 back-to-back fourth finishes. Sevilla finished fourth in 2020, 2021 and 2022. Since then, there has been a steady decline. So the current state of the club should not be a shock to anyone. The club spent 250,000 euros in the summer. They spent less than some clubs in League 2 of English football. Recruitment in the last few years has been nothing short of a disaster. The current sporting director cannot be blamed for that though because he's literally had to build a team with no money. Everything from the top to bottom has been a complete mess at the club. Sevilla have a very tough run in La Liga now. Much like Spurs, their home form is absolutely atrocious. The relegation battle in Spain has been absolutely crazy this season. The points difference between the teams in the relegation zone and the teams up around 10th, 12th in the league is not much. The club is in desperate need to pick up some points and it seems like only a miracle can save them now.